Okay, welcome back, coders. Today I am with my daily milestone, and this is on to many and many to many relationship in PostgreSQL. So I am combining two important things in on project. So in two previous videos I have discussed about one to many and many to many relationship. First of all, you are must was those tutorials, otherwise it will be tough to understand. So please go to my previous two videos and make sure that you understand these two videos first. One is one to many and many to many relationship, then it's very easy. This video will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, so one to many and many to many relationship in PostgreSQL. So basically, this is foreign key. User will be connected with post by this foreign key. So this is one to many relationship, foreign key for one to many relationship, and it's connected with the user ID, this user ID. Okay, and we have another table, its name is course. And for many to many relationship, we need a separate table. So this is separate table. This this is foreign key to users, this is foreign key to courses. So this user ID is connected to user ID. This user ID, I mean, one user buying two course or three course, or one course is bought by two or three or many users, so vice versa. So here is the explanation. So on to many relationship, Alice first post, Alice second post. So on to many, okay, and Bob first post. And many to many relationship, what is happening? Alice takes math, Alice takes science, Bob takes math. So actually, what is happening? Okay, what is happening? Alice take two subjects, and two subjects will be taken by separate. I have the explanation also. You see. This is many too. So Alice take two subjects, math and science, and math again our taken by two students, Alice and Bob. So many to many. So many to many and many to many. And this is one to many. One to many. So if you run this code and try to understand, it will become crystal clear. Okay, so first of all, I am creating the database. So create dedicated database for PostgreSQL database on to many and many to many. Okay, I am creating a dedicated database for that. So database created. Now go to the PG admin, and you will get the database over here. Database refresh. So you will get this database. Schema on to many and many to many relationship, and go to the query table of that individual. So make sure you are in the respective table on to many and many to many relationship. Okay, so run the query, run the command first. So first of all, we need to create a table over here. So create user table. Okay, I'm creating user table. I will give you the code, no worries. User table so that you can easily practice. Okay, then create post. So we are creating post, and we need to create courses. Okay, then we need to separate table for many to many relationship. Okay, we are done. For now we need to insert some data. Say in the user table we are inserting two users, and one is Alice, another one is Bob. Okay, and insert post. So this is Bob post, this is on to many. Okay, and insert for courses and this course junction. So 1 and 2, I mean user ID and course ID, 1 and 1 on 2. Okay, we are done. So now see, go to our database, 1 to 1 and 1 to many and many to many. So I am now in the database. Select all from users. Select all from what is the second database? First of all, users post. Then courses. Select all from courses. Okay, and we have another table. Select all user courses. Okay, select all from user courses. This is the separate table for making relationship. So there is an error over here. User courses. Select all from user. There is a typo. CS courses. Yeah. So we are getting user. This user is buying this course. So it doesn't make sense. So that we will combine two tables. So which user is buying which course? So for that, I am running this query. Okay, first of all, on to many. Okay, on to many. Okay, select, say u name. I mean user name. I am combining two tables. Give a careful consideration. And post title. So otherwise, if you don't put tables, this will be very unfriendly. By merely the user ID and course ID, it will confuse you. You cannot understand, or your users will not understand. That's why you have to make it very descriptive and definitive. Okay, and username, post title. Say I am aliasing it as post title. Okay, from users, and I am aliasing it u. Then left join posts p. Posts is stand for p on. If you can watch my previous video, these things are not very unfamiliar with you. This will be very familiar. You can understand easily. So UID, I mean user ID equal to P. Okay, post user ID. Post user underscore ID. So what is happening over here? You see. So post UID, I mean user ID. This is user. User ID will be post user ID. So it's connecting with foreign key post user ID. This is post user ID. You can see over here user ID. So user ID is this ID. Okay. So post user ID equal to user ID. So if you have a careful consideration for this two table, you will understand. So I am saying once again, users user ID. I mean you will take. I am showing you. I mean users or dot user, sorry, u dot id equal to p dot which user id, p dot this user id. Okay, it will make the relationship, and this id is this id. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, now run the query and you are getting Alice, Bob, and Alice first post, Alice second post. But you see here is not making any sense. You see Alice, number one is Alice. Number one is Alice, number two is Bob. So, and course ID is 1, 2, 1. So Bob post course ID, I mean course ID. This is the course ID 1, 2, and 1. You see 1, 2, and 1. So on means Alice post on, Alice post to, Bob post. Okay, this creating the one to many relationship. So now go for the many to many relationship. So if you watch my previous video, that will give you a good understanding. Okay, so now go for many to many. Many to many relationship. Okay, so remove the previous query and say select. So we will combine two tables. Okay, select u name, I mean user name, c title, I mean course dot title as course underscore title. Its name will be course title. If you don't give it any name, say I am giving Shakil. Its name is Shakil. Shakil. Okay, Shakil. So it will be Shakil. Whatever you name you give it, I am showing you for clarity. Shakil. But actually it will be um, course title. Okay. Okay. From users, it will be u. Users will go for u. Okay. Ls. So join user courses. This is the table name. I mean user courses. You see, this is the user courses. User courses. Okay, user courses. So user courses will be UC. The short form UC. User courses on UID. Can you remember UID? UID means user's ID. This is UID. This ID. Okay, UID equal to UC dot user underscore ID. I mean UC user dot ID. This user dot ID. It will combine. Okay, and if you wanna show this relationship, you see user ID. It's combining with okay user ID reference user ID course ID. It's referencing courses ID. This is the foreign key. Okay, and go for join courses C on CID equal to UC course underscore ID. Okay, if there is no typo, it will work. Join users. Anything wrong? User courses. There is a typo. Let's see once again. Yeah, we are getting math. So you see, Alice is taking math and science, and math is taken by Alice and Bob. So this is many to many relationship. I'm showing you once again. So Alice first post, not this one. Alice takes math, Alice takes science, Bob takes math. So it's establishing many-to-many relationship. Okay. So if you watch my previous two tutorials, this tutorial will be very easy. I am requesting you once again to watch my previous two tutorials and have a good understanding, then come back here. And I am giving you this PostgreSQL command in the comment box, so you can practice it, get your hands dirty, and have some muscle memory so that you can easily understand. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. This is my only motivation. If you like the video, I will make so many exciting videos on PostgreSQL and several topics. You will get a lot of tutorial regarding Node.js, React.js, PostgreSQL, machine learning, and everything. Okay, so stay connected, stay tuned. See you soon.